Did you know 4Lean is an official reseller of Kolver? With 4Fastening we ensure the highest quality through this cooperation. The Screwdriver 4.0. Assemble without mismatches with only one screwdriver, several types of screws. But we go beyond that, we improve the quality of work through rotation with torque control, angle control, acceleration ramp control, screw counting function, minimum and maximum screwing time control, auto reverse, program selection with barcode, sequence of programs with auto switch and positioning system control. We also improve the safety, eliminating the reaction generated by the screwdriver when it stops and with an ergonomic design to reduce the waste. We have an ANDIN, which is a LED status indicator that highlights the operations progression at a single glance, reporting the situation. You can also visualize your work, monitoring and scheduling the tasks, using the display. In the single-minute exchange of dies process, to reduce your setup time, we have the socket tray, that automatically selects the preset program when a bit or socket is removed. Through the feeder, we reduce the picking time of raw material, and optimize the workflow, by standardizing the torque measurements. And of course all components have electrostatic discharge protection. We build lean,